Okay, day 2 on the van build is still not building, we're tearing down. So today's project is take off these factory walls that we didn't want, but it was the one they had on the lot, so we took it. So yeah, what I'm going to use for that is auto trim molding tool set from Harbor Freight. I think it was $8, and a screwdriver. Don't know if there's too much to watch, but I will show you how it starts because I have not done this before. I'm trying not to trash this, but we don't really need it, but just take it out as nice as possible. So I'm going to start with the screws. Alright, so I recommend getting these tools. That works a lot easier than just ripping them off. I don't think I've broken anything yet. Alright, so that only took about 20 minutes or so. Done with all the side panels. I left the back door panels on for now. Probably pull them off in a minute. Haven't decided yet. One thing to note though, where these are connected on the side, if you do have to take them off, there is a couple spots where they had little fasteners in here, and these are riveted on. So I haven't figured out. I probably can leave them because they're going to sit deeper than the wall. But worst case scenario, if I need to later, I will just drill them out. But they're going to stay for now. Another thing to note on the back panels, or if you don't have panels, but on your wall, is these little two black things on the wall on the back, both sides of the van. These are actually vents going to the outside world, I believe. I haven't looked outside. I don't think there's a hole there, but yeah, they are part of the pressure system in here, and I've just read it online. I don't know exactly what it does, but it messes with the doors opening and closing. So when you do insulate and go and cover those up, I'm going to leave them exposed, so just insulate around them, hoping that the pressure still works properly there. The panels on this kit had holes in it to keep it vented, so I may even cut a couple little slits inside of whatever wall material we use there, because on our current van they're totally covered, everything works fine, but you do have to close the sliding door pretty hard to get it closed up completely. I don't know if that's just how they all are, but this one, being that it doesn't have any weight to it or anything yet, seems pretty easy. So I'm wondering if it's related to that. So I'm just gonna leave them pretty open. And I know when we had the last one built out, we talked about having them stay open also. I wasn't there when they got covered. They might be, they might not be. We'll find out. It works regardless. All right, no sooner than finishing the pulling down of the walls, Amazon delivered a package, and as you can see, it's got a smile on the box, but what's inside the box does not make me smile. Maybe it does. sound deadener. What I found to be one of the worst things to do last time. You'll see shortly in this new video talking about how to install sound deadener on your van.